We're over here at the Melrose Hotel. We have a building permit and construction work has started. Doing foundation work with helical piers here. A little loud, but you can see these are the piers. They drill down with that excavator, going 30 to 50 feet. You can see they already have a couple already in place. They excavate along the foundation. They drill them down. They get solid surface. Make our way to the back side of the building. See, we have everything fenced off. This is our first lumber package, foundation framing. So these are the walls that were filled in, reinforced the foundation, and then the new wall entries in the wall we cut for the new doorways. Filled in. You can see there's a lot of work that's been done here. Tall ceilings, brought it all the way down to the studs. So this will be the new bar area. Then we'll have dividing walls between with rooms. So structural repairs have already been done. This is the corner they're working on here. To add to the character, but really open up these doorways, we added lintels, which is a steel member up here to support the brick above. And it carries the load all the way down to the foundation. So that doorway was much smaller, now it's large, so when people come through, it brings the light into the bar feeding area. And there's going to be a new door right here. It'll have a ADA ramp. This will be a new bar seating, closed in this section here. So these are the repairs that were done to this section, the foundation. So that was patched. Cut some brick back here, but you can see how tall the ceilings are. This is the section where those LVLs that were outside in the lumber package would go in. So here's another lintel. It's installed, new one for a doorway. And this one here was pretty large. So it supports the brick all the way to the roof and the parapet above. Now we start wood framing walls to get the room layouts. This side's not going to change too much. You can see these supporting headers, beams that run through, can't really change. So luckily the floor plan actually works well with the existing. So get framing done. These floors will repurpose, patch where necessary, but there's some areas here where it's actually in pretty good shape. Through, sand it, finish them. Get a little original character back to the project. We'll have all brand new windows here. They're ordered. Get those installed. So one of the reasons we bring it down to the studs as well when there's plaster and lath in the building is because of the load. It's very heavy. So it actually lightens up the building to prevent future settling and issues on the floor. We just put in sheetrock, which is quite a bit lighter, and it's better for a fire barrier as well. So this building will have fire suppression, fire sprinklers. See, there's our security system all the way around the building as well. And each room has to have a fire barrier as well. So 5/8 sheetrock. And then we also have spray foam insulation in between units for sound, and then also exterior walls. Have a nice tight envelope for the building. Additional framing, spray foam. These would be nice comfortable spaces once they're finished. And then we're doing an acoustic ceiling, drop ceiling on the first level. So if somebody's walking up here, a guest, you don't hear it from the floor below. You see the floors are in much better shape up here. Need to be doing some fixer patches. So those lintels that were installed, it looks like before they go up, or the steel to the door size we need or window size. And all it is just angle iron. Seems pretty thick there. These are all pre-packaged to install to the new doors and windows.